Hello friends, so welcome to my channel. This is the first review which I'm doing, and this phone which I've ordered from Flipkart is the Poco F1. This is the 6GB and 128GB variant, and I'll be opening this phone right now. Let's see how is it. So I have some other phones with me as well, which I'll review in the coming weeks. This is the bill which they have given. This is the black color which I've ordered, not the red, Rosso red or the blue one. This is the black color, steel black. Let's keep it aside. This is written Poco by Xiaomi. Here is the box. The box looks quite interesting, and as you can see, this is the graphite black 6GB 128GB variant. Now let's unbox this to find out what kind of phone this is. So let's open this. Poco F1. So as I said, this is 6GB RAM, 128GB storage. This has Qualcomm Snapdragon 845, which is the latest processor, which is a kind of a flagship processor. And so this phone has a 12 plus 5 megapixel rear camera and 20 megapixel front camera. And what I'm looking in this phone is the battery backup, which is the battery which they have given is 4000 milliampere lithium ion battery with the liquid cooling technology this phone has in it. Welcome this. So you can read the specifications written on the phone. Qualcomm Snapdragon 845 liquid cooling technology this phone has. This is AI dual camera, and the best thing which in my opinion is 4000 mAh of battery. So let's take out this beast. This is a phone. For like, I prefer to use phone which is quite compatible for my one hand, because I like to cover the phone with my right hand, and this the size looks quite optimum. And let's see the back of this phone. The back is also fine. This is the graphite black, as I mentioned, with the dual camera. This is the front. Let's see what's in there in the box. So we have a charger with us, and USB to Type C cable, and we have the SIM ejector. So this phone does not have any earphones with it, and the reason is it does not have any headphone jack. So we might need so it has headphone jack on the top, but this does not provide any earphones with it. So that's the box. Let's see what else the phone has with it. So this is a cover the phone has given. Let's look at it after the manual, user manual, which is of, I think, no use. Nobody reads it. User guide. let's keep it back in there. And now this is the plastic case. Looks quite good. So the phone looks quite classy as compared to what I've seen in the other videos. One thing I can say, on the back the phone doesn't look this much appealing, but on the front it's quite classy. So let's boot up this beast. Poco by Xiaomi. Till the time I'm booting up this, I'll set up this phone, and this has MIUI 9. So now the setup is complete, and let's look how the phone is looking. The apps are loading. So now the setup is complete, and the phone looks amazing. So that's it from my first video. Thank you all for joining in. See you next time. Till then, peace.